Hey guys, and welcome back to my channel. In today's video I'm going to show you how you can create a clothing brand with Photopea. So first I want you to go to photopea.com and ChatGPT. Once you have them both up, get started. So the first thing we need to do is ask ChatGPT, make sure it's on 4.0, sorry, and ask it to make us a mock-up shirt so we can create a clothing brand. And you just read what it says. We'll do product only view and any color preference. We'll do streetwear. You just click shift and enter and it'll go under it, streetwear. Oh, we'll write white as well. Logo later. And you can say make front and back. So it's given us response 1 and response 2. I'd prefer to get a actual mock-up made from ChatGPT, not just it search the internet, so wait for this one. We'll just give it a few minutes, it takes a while. Alright, it's starting to get made. Let's see what happens here. Perfect. We'll use this one. Yep, I'll just copy or download it. I can copy image. New project. And we'll just do, let's have an Instagram post. Actually, I'll go file new. And I'll make it transparent. Allow. There we go. Control Alt T makes it transformative, so you can move it up and down, make it fit the screen. And now we've got to think of what we can put on the shirt. I'm just going to make something like really quick. I'm going to ask ChatGPT to do it. But first, I'm going to find some inspiration. So if you have an idea of what you want to do, if you've seen a good brand but you want to like make a similar clothing brand or just similar clothing, you can just find it and copy it. So I'm going to find something here. Let's see. See, I like this. It's not too bad. I'm going to copy. Then I'm going to ask ChatGPT. Design. Can you make me a design similar to this? So now, since we have ChatGPT, there should be no problem making a new store. Pretty much replaces graphic designers. So yeah, wait for this one and see what happens here. It's making the whole mock-up. Maybe it's even better just to do it like that. So yeah, you can see it's made that already. I didn't even have to make the mock-up, but you can just like, say if you want to copy this and put it in here. Say you want to just like keep a document or you want to add stuff to it, you can. As you can see, it's made that from scratch. Let's make a few more. We'll have a look at that. Or maybe this. I'll ask it. Can you make don't copy exactly. Let's see what happens here. As you can see, it's really good at making clothing brands instantly, but obviously you don't want to copy straight away. You want to make it your own unique. So this is why you got to prompt it better. If you prompt it better, you get better prompts. Muck around with it, and then you'll find the best graphic design possible. Let's see what happens here. Yeah, that's crazy. I made that mock-up within seconds. So yeah, pretty much these days for you to create a clothing brand, it's not hard at all. So if you just click here, go file new, bang, you've made a clothing brand within seconds. So that's it for today's video. If you enjoyed, please hit that thumbs up and subscribe. Alright, before I leave, I just want to mention that I have a ChatGPT free PDF for you that you can use. I'll pretty much go over how you can use ChatGPT efficiently to scale your business. I'm doing this because not many people know how to use ChatGPT, and I can guarantee you that it will save you like hours of your time. You can get a brand up and running within a day or two just from using ChatGPT. If you want to use ChatGPT correctly, please look at the description in my video. Thank you. Bye.